Because what's happening is not right. So, yes, express it. You come, you make your feelings known to these people and make them answerable for the wrongdoings that they have done. Palaman ninyo ang sentimento, palaman ninyo kung paano nila kayo sinaktan, kung paano kayo ninakawan itong mga ito. Palaman ninyo sa kanila, sigawan ninyo, lahat, gawin ninyo, mag-demonstrate. Just keep it peaceful. Kasi pagka hindi na peaceful, mahirap na yan. The police will have to do its duty to maintain peace and order. But to show that you are enraged, to show that you are angry, to show that you are disappointed, to show that you want justice, to show that you want fairness, what's wrong with that? I want to show that there's justice. I want to show that there is fairness. I want to hold these people accountable just like they do. So I don't blame them. I don't blame them. Not one bit.
Ayun. At kapag kasunod mo dyan, yung follow-up question, meron mo bang i-spare kayo? Wala. Sabi niya, wala akong i-spare dyan kahit yung mga ganito, ganyan.
Pwede nung pati pangalan.
Oo. Sinabi, wala niyang i-spare dyan. Ibig sabihin talagang desidido. So ang Pangulong Bongbong, kung hindi siya po Pangulo ngayon, baka siya namumuno may hawak ng batawan.
Oo.
At nagrarally doon sa, saan ba sila magrarally daw?
Iba-iba. Yung iba, dyan sa EDSA.
Hindi, yung EDSA daw bawal. Doon daw sa EDSA. Doon daw sa Cuneta.
Sa Cuneta?
Akala ko sa Pasay. Luneta. Hindi po sa Cuneta.
Paano bawal sa EDSA?
Kasi major thoroughfare daw. Mayroon na lang. Babalik ka tayo ng mga.
Binasa ba?
Oo,
pero may mapilit dun gusto.
Gano'n. Ang dalawang dapat iwasan yung Ortigas, yung shrine doon.
Linggo naman Kaya mo sila doon.
Gano'n.
Gusto nila doon
At saka yung binanggit tsaka yung yung People Power Monument. Di ba, anong EDSA rin yan?
Oo, bawal din doon.
At saka doon sa may shrine, bawal daw doon, sabi ng PNP.
Bakit sa Luneta?
Kasi
wala tayong pera.
Kasi yun daw yun. Namamasal, nag-rally pa sa Luneta, walang pera. Kasi yun daw, EDSA ay hindi Freedom Park. Doon lang tayo, doon lang daw sila. Hindi ko tayo doon lang daw sila pinapayagang magkaroon ng kilos protesta. O rally.
Oo. Ano ba yung sinabi ng Pangulo na wala tayong dapat sinuhin dito? Oo, pwede. Lahat yan. Naintindihan ko yung galit ng tao. Mayroon pang dyan. Mayroon pang sumang-ayon dyan. Second emotion.
Second emotion? Yung galit niya, yung interpret emotion. Parehas din siya ng emotion.
Parehas din.
Third emotion.
Walang dapat na sinuhin.
Pati ako. Dagdag mo na emotion ko.
Eto, pakita mo kung sino ito.
Sino yan?
Ang sabi niya dito, I fully support President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s statement that no one is exempt from accountability.
Sino yan?
The House of Representatives has already embraced this principle in our work to uphold transparency and restore public trust. The President has also warned us against name-dropping and reckless accusations. I share this view. Investigations must be anchored on facts and evidence, not on rumor, innuendo, or hearsay. The Independent Commission for Infrastructure is an opportunity to cleanse the system, and the House is committed to cooperating fully.
Tama naman. Pag hindi kayo nag-cooperate,